Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with another quick salad for you guys. Again, if you see my face, this is for a Dherbs cleanse. We might do something a little fun, but everything that I'm probably going to do on this stage that you see me in is for a Dherbs cleanse because that's why we're here. This salad today is going to be a tomato, cucumber, and avocado salad with a twist. This is going to be slightly spicy. We're going to plate it up really nice. It's not going to be in your typical bowl. We're going to put it out on a plate, give you a nice little aerial design. So for this salad, there is a quick salad dressing or just something to dress this tomato salad with. That is going to be some coconut amino acids, some cayenne pepper, and some salt and pepper. So literally into 2 tablespoons, just a pinch or 2 of some salt and pepper, a pinch of cayenne because it is spicy. You want a little heat in this salad. The red onions, the tomatoes are sweet, so to balance that, a little heat, and then the fat from the avocado, so that would be delicious. I have here some beautiful vine ripened tomatoes. For this, you can use Roma tomatoes. I like vine. You can use beefsteak or heirloom. And speaking of heirloom, I have these small heirloom grape tomatoes for texture, for sweetness, for color, just to give us a bit of variety. So I'm going to take about 2 of these beautiful tomatoes off the vine, and we're just going to cut these into wedges. Again, this is going to be part of our presentation. And we'll put this into our bowl with our cherry tomatoes. To this, we're going to add some sliced red onion. This is about a 1/4 cup of sliced red onion. This is 1 small diced avocado. All into the bowl. And then lastly, cucumbers. I have 2 different types of cucumbers. This is a Persian cucumber. It's much smaller, less water content. The seeds are smaller inside. And this is a hothouse or green hothouse cucumber. The skin of this cucumber has a little bit more texture to it, so the bite in our salad is going to be different. Because we're using 2 different sizes, we're going to do 2 different textures and 2 different cuts. So for the hothouse, we'll just remove the tip. And let's cut this into semicircles or half moons on a bias. So we're just going to angle that and make long slits across. And this is what we're looking for here. And then for our Persian cucumber, let's cut this into small rounds. Right. So now that we have our cucumbers, we're going to add that to our bowl. And then lastly, we're going to add our salad dressing. A little goes a long way with these coconut amino acids, the salt, pepper. The water is going to naturally pull out of the cucumbers and the tomatoes when we add the salt. So we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes, untouched. We're going to come back and toss it, leave it for another 3 minutes, and then we'll plate it up. Okay, so we've let it sit for about 5 minutes. Just going to give it a nice mix here. You just want that to incorporate. If you can see, the tomatoes are starting to release their juices. The cucumbers are starting to release that water. That's going to help the coconut amino acids, not to make a sauce or a dressing, but to coat and season and flavor these beautiful summer and spring vegetables. So you can toss this. Again, you can leave this for 5, 10, up to an hour in the refrigerator, but it's ready to plate. You can serve it in a bowl just like this, but to be more creative, more inventive, to eat with our eyes, we're gonna have a little fun. You will need your hands for this, so make sure they're clean. I'm a chef, so my hands are always clean. You're cooking, so your hands should be clean too. We're gonna start with the large chunks of those vine tomatoes that we have. And we're just gonna place those randomly about the plate, wherever they fall. You can lay them on their side, you can lay them straight up. It's fun. This is your plate. So then we're gonna get some cucumbers in there, some of the larger pieces, another tomato, some of those smaller rounds. Let's get some avocado now. Boop. Now to this salad, if you would like fresh herbs, cilantro, dill, you can change the spices. Instead of cayenne, you can use some cumin or some fennel seed would be really good. Fennel and tomatoes, super good. If you would like, maybe after the summer, if you still like tomatoes and you have some left over for a fall salad, you can use sage. Cilantro would be good. You want to brighten it up, add some lemon juice or some lime juice, lemon or lime zest. It's really simple tomato salad. It's delicious, super simple, super quick. I'm gonna save the rest of that for me. Let's give our plate a little wipe down. Lastly, we're gonna add some hemp seeds for some texture. Look at that. So this again is a raw vegan salad, but more than that, plant-based, tomato, cucumber, red onion, beautiful avocado. This is a delicious salad, super quick. You don't have to break the bank. You don't have to spend time making a long salad dressing. Super quick, super simple. You can make it a day, days ahead. Just keep it in the fridge. Keep the dressing aside. If you'd like to see this video or more like this, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hit the bell icon in the corner. You can follow us at www.dherbs.com/Chef RedBeard. These onions smell amazing. This salad is, this is it. See you guys soon.